What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different than what I normally do in here. I'm going to be trying to make lava. Now, this is something I've always wanted to do ever since I built a forge, and I finally ordered all the materials that I think I need to do this. I have no idea if it's going to work. I'm not even sure if the rocks are going to melt, but I figured I'd give it a shot. So let's get started. So this is the stuff I ordered. I just got this stuff from Amazon. I ordered like 2 variety packs of igneous rocks and then this graphite crucible right here. I'm not sure which type of rock is going to melt the best. I'm sure each one of these rocks melts at a slightly different temperature. So I'll do some experimenting to figure out which one makes the best lava, if it works at all. The first thing I'm going to do is get the forge fired up. This is a forge that I built. It's got a forced air burner. I did make a video about it if you guys want to check that out. I'll link that either above or in the description below. Then I'm going to let the forge get nice and hot, and I think I'm actually going to preheat the crucible. I think you're supposed to do that, kind of slowly bring it up to temperature so it doesn't break. Don't take my word for that though. I have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to like casting stuff. Get the propane turned on. I think it's on, right? I'm gonna put, I think these ones are basalt, so we'll start off with that. I think that's what it said on the package. I'm gonna get this thing cranked up again. Actually, I put it more in the middle. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it's getting really hot in there, but it still looks like the rock hasn't melted yet. I don't know if you can see that little bright spot right there. So I'm going to give it a little more time and see what happens. Alright, it's really hard to see in there, but I'm going to try and stick a little piece of metal into the crucible to see if it turned into a liquid yet. The rock has disappeared, so I'm assuming that everything's kind of settled and it has turned into a liquid. It's almost tacky. The rock is definitely not hard anymore, but it's still not flowing like a liquid. But I can push into it. It's almost getting stuck. Oh wow, that got hot fast. So it didn't really work like I thought it would. Oh. The crucible is like almost melted though. It's like really soft. These things didn't even melt. Well, they kind of melted together actually. See if I can break them apart. Oh, they are kind of soft. They're like partially melted. I'm going to try some different rock now. I think it may have worked this time. Oh yeah. That's crazy. It's like stuck in there. Oh my god. I'm trying to get it out more so you guys can see it better. Wow, that's nuts. It's not quite as liquidy as I thought it would be, but it's definitely melted. Now it's cooling off, but that's nuts. Let me see if I can get it off this little piece of metal here. It's stuck on there pretty good. Whoa, that's crazy. It's like made all these little strands. It's really fragile. I'm definitely not going to be able to get that out of there. Oh my god. I don't know if this is going to work. I think some of it's melted and some of it isn't. I don't know. It's like weird. Oh boy. I I can totally squish it, but it still like sounds hard. I could squeeze it with the tongs like so easily. It's just not completely liquefying. I don't know why. I think this rock was obsidian, actually. I think that was the right name for this rock. Alright, so as you guys probably saw, most of the rocks didn't really work that well. They just had too high of a melting point, and I couldn't really get them as liquidy as I wanted to. Except for the first or second rock I used, that red rock that was really porous. That one seemed to work the best, and I didn't even let it sit in the forge as long as I should have. So I just went to Home Depot and I picked up a bag of, this bag of like barbecue rocks. Like you're supposed to put them in a grill, I guess. I'm not really sure what they're used for, but it's the exact same type of rock as that porous red rock. So I just put it back in the forge right now. And it seems to be melting really quickly, and I keep adding more and more rock, and it keeps on getting lower and lower, and it's melting at the bottom. So in a couple more minutes, I'm going to add some more rock, and hopefully it'll actually be melted and make real lava. Let's see if it comes out on its own. There it goes. That's what I was looking for the entire time. Oh my God, that's crazy. Wow, that's nuts. This is what I wanted. Oh my God. Let's see if I can pull it off before it gets too cold. That's so crazy. I can't believe this was a piece of rock. Wow, that's nuts. I'm gonna go turn the forge off. Hopefully that doesn't fall. This is so crazy. I want to get it off this thing. Wow. I'm so happy this worked. I'm so happy I went to Home Depot and got that other bag of rocks, because like the other rocks that I used were kind of disappointing, but this was perfect. There's still more in there, I just can't, I know it's, most of it got out. There's still some around the edges though, I just can't scrape it out. That's nuts. I gotta figure out a way to make something from this. Wow. Oh my God, I almost freaking broke it. I'm gonna put this down. Alright guys, I had a ton of fun making that video, and I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Quickly before you go, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. I post videos, well, not just like this is a pretty special one, but I post a lot of blacksmithing videos almost every week. And also make sure you check the links down in the description. My website's down there, my Patreon, and also my Instagram. So if you want to check those out too, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.